कमाल करते हो पांडे जी। दरवाजा खुला छोड़ दिया। दरवाजा खुलो, दरवाजा खुलो रख दी तो पवन पवन। हाय, this is your Kalpesh bhai. This is your Kalpesh bhai, and this is Kalpesh bhai. Kalpesh bhai's PC, you know, computer. Yeah, this is computer. Kalpesh bhai is drinking water. Batla, Batla. Yes, this is Batla. And this is, yes, this is Kalpesh bhai's chair. And this is Doyle. This is chair, and this is Pani Pivana stand. Look at, this is Pani Pivana stand. Yeah, वही. And ये जो तीन दिख रहा है, वो है कुर्सी, ठीक है? और ये ऑफिस पड़ा है इधर। वो पिच्चू, वो नक्शा है इंडिया का नक्शा है, पिच्चू वाला। आइला वो गोड है, गोड, you know goat, वही गोड। And Kalpesh bhai working what? Kalpesh bhai working what? બીજું તો ઠીક પૂરા. હું શું કહેવાનું હોય?